Let's look at this set. At a management school, the oldest 10 norms numbered 1 to 10 need to be repaired urgently. The following diagrams represents the estimated repair cost in rupees crores for the 10 norms. For any norm, the estimated repair cost in rupees crores is an integer. Repairs with an estimated cost of rupees 1 or 2 crores are considered light repairs. Repairs with an estimated cost of rupees 3 or 4 are considered moderate repairs. And repairs with an estimated cost of rupees 5 or 6 crores are considered extensive repairs. So if the estimated cost is 1 or 2, it is light, 3 or 4 is moderate, 5 or 6 is extensive. Okay. Further, the following are known. Odd numbered DOMs do not need light repair. Even numbered DOMs do not need moderate repair. And DOMs whose numbers are divisible by 3 do not need extensive repair. Okay. DOMs 4 to 9 all need different repair cost, with DOM 7 needing the maximum and DOM 8 needing the minimum. Okay. This is a former year CAT question that I'm hoping everyone has seen earlier and therefore would have gotten it right. Let's go ahead and see. We're going DORM numbers. DORM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. First instruction is odd number DOMs do not need light repair. So I'm saying, let's say these are DOM numbers. I'm saying cost and information wise, I know they do not need light. So 1 and 2 cannot come. 1 and 2 cannot come. Or instead of representing it this way, if first thing we should draw lines, lines will be nice. Comment wise, I will write here. If they do not need light repair, moderate or extensive. Similarly, for these moderate or extensive, moderate or extensive, moderate or extensive, moderate or extensive. Okay. Next, we are told even number DOMs do not read moderate repair. So this is going to be light or extensive, light or extensive, light or extensive, light or extensive, light or extensive. While numbers whose and DOMs whose numbers are divisible by 3 do not need extensive repair. So right now, numbers which are divisible by 3. Remember, for every spot we have two options. For DOM number 3, we definitely know it is a moderate repair. For DOM number 6, we definitely know it is a light repair. For DOM number 9, we definitely know it is a moderate repair. For DOM 3, DOM 6, and DOM 9, we definitely know these are moderate repairs. Okay. Next thing we are told is DOMs 4 to 9 all need different repair costs. DOM 4 to DOM 9 all need different repair costs, while with DOM 7 needing the maximum. If DOM 7 needs the maximum, what is the maximum repair cost? It is definitely 6 crores. And that would mean it falls in the extensive category. There were two DOMs that needed 6 crores as the repair cost. One of those DOMs is 7. This is identical. And DOM 8 needing the minimum. DOM 8 is needing the minimum. It would mean the estimated repair cost is going to be 1 crore, or this needs light work here. Additionally, see, they're saying DOM 4 to DOM 9 need different costs. And these are 6 DOMs, and there are only 6 costs, which is to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers only have to come in here. Only these numbers have to come in here. Okay. The other extensive cost, can it come in DOM 4? Possibly. Can it come in DOM 5? Possibly. Can it come in DOM 6? No. But it has to have the other light cost, and the only light cost left. See, this is one. One is already used up. So this has to be 2. This has to be 2. The light cost is done. Now, this has to be moderate. The two moderate spots, DOM 5 and DOM 9, will necessarily be moderate costs or moderate repair costs, either 3 or 4, or 4 or 3. But the only spot where the other extensive cost can come, extensive repair cost can come, is this one. This is necessarily extensive at spot 4, and 6 crore is already mentioned. So this has to be 5 crore. This has to be 5 crore. This is done. Wonderful. Now look at wherever we have had two moderate repair costs. DOMs already identified. DOM 5 and DOM 9 will have moderate repairs. There need to be at least 2 more DOMs, because there are 3 who needed 3 crore as repairs and 1 which needed 4 crore as repair. So the other 2 DOMs that will be moderate, that will need moderate repair costs, will be DOM 1 and DOM 3. Those are the only spots left. So this will have a cost of 3 crore and this will have a cost of 3 crore. They cannot possibly have a cost of 4 crore, because for 4 crore estimated repair cost, there is just one DOM, and one of those DOMs is going to be 5 or 9. 5 or 9. This is done. Now look at DOM 2 and DOM 10. DOM 2 is also light or extensive, and DOM 10 is also light or extensive. The only numbers that are yet to be allocated is one 6 crore estimated cost and one 1 crore estimated cost. So either this is 1 or 6. Correspondingly, this is 6 or 1. And this is the extent to which we can record information. Let's get to individual questions. 4 of the 10 DOMs needing repair are women DOMs and need a total of 20 crores for repair. Now, this is interesting. See, and what comes to our head here is, see, for 4 DOMs, if the total repair cost is 20 crore, can I say the averaging turns out to be 5 crore towards the higher ends of the costs? So how can I create an average of 5? There is just one 5 available. Can I go, if I take the 4 highest numbers, 6, 6, 5, and 4, the sum turns out to be 21 crore. If I take the 4 highest repair costs mentioned, 2 for 6, 1 for 5, and 1 for 4, the total cost turns out to be 21. The only way I can make 20 is if I replace this 4 with a 3. The only way I can make this 21 into a 20 is by replacing this 4 with a 3. No other combination. No other combination is going to give me 20. Now, if this is identified, all the 6 crore, all the buildings that are worth 6 crores, all the buildings that require uh, all the buildings that require repairs worth 6 crore will necessarily be women's DOMs. Even the 5 crore building will be a women's DOM, and then one of the 3 crore buildings is going to be a women's DOM. But we are told only one of the DOMs, 1 to 5, is a women's DOM. So in this range, there is just one women's DOM. In this range, there is just one women's DOM, and we know for a fact that DOM 4, which has an estimated repair cost of 5 crore, is definitely a women's DOM. If this is definitely a women's DOM, this is definitely a women's DOM. This cannot possibly be a women's DOM, as in if DOM 2 had 6 crore expense, that would need to be a women's DOM, and we know within the first 5 there is just one women's DOM, so this cannot be 6 crore. The estimated repair cost for DOM 2 cannot be 6 crore, so estimated repair cost for DOM 10 has to be 6 crore, so this will be a women's DOM. Now 6, 6, 5, I need one more 3. This would be a women's DOM. Within the final 5, the only place where I can get a 3 is this. See how it would work out is, DOM 4 has a cost of 5, DOM 7 has a cost of 6, DOM 9 has a cost of 3, and dorm 10 has a cost of 6. These are dorm numbers and these are repair costs. This is how 20 crore would be made. And now when they're asking which of the following is a women's dorm, dorm 2 is not in our list, dorm 5 is not in our list, dorm 8 is not in our list, dorm 10 is in our list, should be the answer. Okay. Next question. What is the total cost of repairing the odd numbered dorms? Odd numbered dorms. So for dorm 1, 3, I have 3 plus 3. Then at this point, it seems confusing. How do I say whether it is 3 or 4? What do I take? But then you leave it be. Go to dorm 7, you get 6. And now look at dorm 9. 3, 4 and 4, 3. I don't know where 3 comes and where 4 comes. But can I say it together? Both of them have to be used. So this will be the total cost incurred for repairing the odd number dorm. So 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. Cost will be 19. Next, further suppose that 4 of the 10 dorms needing repairs are women's dorms and need a total of 20 crores for repair, which is what we did for the first question. Only one of the dorms, 1 to 5, is a women's dorm. We also know. Next is what is the repairing cost of dorm 9. For dorm 9, we had identified the repairing cost would be 3 crore. So we write down 3 here because the unit said in rupees crore. One wonderful variation or trap that you can potentially have is what is the cost for repairing dorm 9? And you go ahead and write 3, but it says it does not say in rupees crores. Then you would need to write 3 followed by 6 or 7, however many zeros are there in a crore. Let me just be certain. 1,000 lakh. So 7 zeros in a crore. You would need to write 3 followed by 7 zeros if rupees crore was not mentioned. Okay. Which of the following is not necessarily true? Not necessarily true. As in, this could be true, this could be false. Let's see. Dorm 1 needs moderate repair. This is necessarily true, cannot be the answer. Dorm 5 will cost no more than rupees 4 crores. Dorm 5 repair will cost no more than rupees 4 crores. This is necessarily true. Dorm 7 needs an extensive repair. This is necessarily true. Dorm 10 will repair will cost no more than 4 crores. This is valid because this is correct because this is not necessarily true. Dorm 10 could have a repair cost estimate of either 1 crore or 6 crore. So there is a possibility where it will cost more than 4 crore. So option D is not necessarily true. And therefore option D will be our answer. That is all for this side. This is a former year CAT set again. Hopefully you have seen it earlier and got all questions right.